such a little hiker.
You hiking?
You gonna come up? You gonna come up? Use your trekking poles to come up. There you go. Come on. There you go. There you go. Okay. You're on your way.
Stop him, please, before he gets to
It's
it.
okay. It's alright. Aren't you?
It's like Tahoe. We're up on a big, beautiful
okay,
hill.
Here he goes. Going back down. Use your trekking poles. There you go. Come on. Nice and slow. Look where you're going. Look where you're going. Nice and slow. There. There.
Oh!
Good job. You made it. You made it.
Dylan, do you see the lake?
You see the water? The lake?